Good afternoon, evening, Facebook friends and family. I just wanted to do a really quick impromptu live video with y'all. I've gotten lots of messages today regarding my pictures and my videos, and a lot of them go, I love your pictures, I love your videos, I wish I had your confidence, I wish I could look like you, all this other kind of crap from beautiful women that I love very much. Here's the thing. Confidence is a daily battle for every single person probably on this planet Earth. We just have to do what we got to do every single day to make it the best day that we possibly can. So if you want me to help you with that for the next 2 days, you can join Farmasi for only $9.99. And what that does, because I've had lots of questions about that too, is it unlocks 50% off of all of our products. If you don't want to sell, you don't have to sell. You can buy just for yourself. The only qualification that we have is you have to sell or buy $125 worth of product before taxes, before shipping, in a 6-month period. That's it. That's the only qualification. For $9.99, it unlocks 50% off in your back office. You don't pay full price and then get 50% back 3 hours later or once a month. That's not how it works. When you sign in, all of your prices are slashed 50% off. It's really that simple. Do I have to carry stock? Nope. Do I have to build a team? Nope. Are there any hidden fees? Nope. No website fee? Nope. The only qualification is $125 in sales every 6 months, whether it's you buying for yourself or you buying for yourself and your friends or you buying just for your friends. I mean, it's really that simple. $9.99 is all it takes, and everything on the website immediately from the time you do an account is 50% off. You never lose it. It's never less. You can get more, but it's never less. You always get 50%. Well, how do you get more? Well, that comes into building a team, having high sales, and you can still make more than 50% without people under you. You just have to purchase more than $125 every 6 months. So that's just the logistics of all that kind of stuff. So if you are struggling with self-esteem and feeling like you're alone, and, we all have those low and high moments, and sometimes we feel like we're on a roller coaster. I guarantee you that this $9.99 will give you more than just 50% off products. It will give you new friends. It will give you a table to sit with at the lunchroom, is the best way to put it. We have a great team. We have great products. We have great everything. So please, if you're watching all of these posts, jump on the $9.99 deal for the next couple of days. Let's get you all your products 50% off. Let me help you pick your skincare systems. Let me help you pick your makeup that, you want to feel beautiful. Let me help you pick all that stuff. Let me teach you how to use it. Just let me help you be the best version of you. Okay? Because you should love yourself too. So if you have any questions, send me a PM. Let me know if you want the link. I'll get that for you too. But don't be afraid. If you want to cancel your account, just stop buying stuff. After 6 months, if you haven't reached the 125 requirement, it'll automatically terminate. And sheesh. And then after that, if you want to rejoin, you have to sign up and buy the kit again. But usually it's $19.99. So you're getting it at 50% off for the next couple of days. So send me a message. Let's get this thing going, and let's let you live your best life. I love you, friends. Have a good evening.